Hi everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Cracking Allergies.
Today's topic is antibodies. They are also called immunoglobulins. These molecules are proteins produced by your immune system circulating in your blood and protecting you from antigens. Antigens are substances recognized as foreign by your body and triggering the production of antibodies. They can be any molecule, such as allergens, molecules of viruses, of bacteria, and even insect venom. Allergens will be considered as antigens only for the body of allergic persons. For more information, watch our Cracking Allergies episode about allergens. But how do the antibodies act against antigens? They recognize and bind to the antigens in order to remove them from the body. They are Y-shaped, like a cheerleader when they cheer for the team. As you can see, there are several parts within antibodies. They are made of two copies of two molecules called heavy and light chain. In dark blue you can see the heavy chain, and in light blue, the arm of the Y, the light chain of the antibody. In orange is represented the variable part of the antibody. The extremities of the light and heavy chain form a region that specifically binds to the antigen. This is the part of the antibody that binds to one specific antigen only. If the antibodies encounter antigens they are not specific to, they won't bind to the antigens. Let's talk about the production of antibodies. In your blood you have immune cells called lymphocytes B. There are multitudes of different lymphocytes B, one kind per antigen. On their surface, they have thousands of identical antibodies able to recognize and bind to one antigen. If the antigen is present, this will trigger the production of antibodies by lymphocytes B in the blood. Then they can become either memory lymphocytes B, which have a longer lifetime, or plasma cells. Those plasma cells are the immune cells producing the antibodies in the blood and lymph. Different kinds of antibodies exist, divided into 5 main classes for mammalians. They have different roles and ways to remove antigens from your body. Their structures and heavy chains change according to the class. They are called IgA, D, E, G, and IgM. The IgE are the antibodies causing the immediate allergy, which is the most common and severe type of allergy. When IgEs recognize allergens, they induce an allergic reaction. We'll talk more about IgE in the next episode of Cracking Allergies. Now you know almost everything about antibodies. Watch the next episode of Cracking Allergies to know how antibodies trigger allergic reactions.